V, right? This is based on the.
Sorry, I don't have headphones. Dang, I don't have my headphones, so I can't hear what the professor is saying.
What am I doing? I have his final to study for. What the heck is an ANOVA? I don't remember learning about this.
Yo, Sam, how do you do number 4?
Which one was that one?
It's the one where the dude smacks the other dude.
Oh, okay, I see. That one's literally like the same as the one that we did in class that one day. I think something about like stealing from 7-Eleven. Were you there?
There's lectures in 101?
Oh, okay, let me pull it up.
Wait, seriously?
Cast. Click on it. Oh, that's the wrong one. Of course it is.
Dude, this is taking forever.
This is, yeah,
Dude.
I hate this.
Dude.
That's not even the right
Dude.
class. Why is Cogs 101
Dude, the final's
showing
tomorrow,
up?
dude.
That's the wrong professor.
Alright, boys. We got a problem. We got a podcast problem. We can't listen to the podcast we need in the library. We can't find specific podcasts. And even if we do, we can't even find the content that we need. Guys, finals week is next week. We need to do something.
I have a solution.
Wait, didn't I just do that?
Scriptor.
What the...
So I'm going to start with a demo now of our product, Scriptor, which is a web application. So first off, I'm going to be using a guest account, so you're not logged in. And we can first solve the problem of Raj needing to learn from a podcast with no headphones. So say Raj wants to learn about machine learning. We can go ahead and search here, and we can see we have a list of results from all these different classes, from different professors that all discuss machine learning. Our text blurbs provide machine learning, and these are all sorted by the relevancy to the query. So we can go ahead and actually filter from this page because we know Raj is in COGS 9. So in COGS 9, we search again, and we see now this results page is only filtered by COGS 9 results. So we can go ahead and play one of these.
And machine learning, they're often called features. So the features of this model would be time of the charge.
So here you see that our application provides the timestamp at which the exact user query is mentioned. So if you follow it along here,
Location of the charge.
Speaking, we see this time, or this text blurb is matching to what the professor is saying. In Raj's case, however, he can't really listen to this podcast because he has no headphones, so we can go ahead and view full transcript. Here we have the full transcript of the entire lecture that mentions machine learning. So if we actually Control F and find machine learning, you can find all these little instances of when the professor mentions it, and Raj can study effectively that way with no headphones. So now we can return to this home screen, and let's go ahead and explore some of the user functionalities of this. This provides some extra functionality to the frequent users of the application, such as user history and favoriting that we will see in a second. So here we're logged in. Now you can see we have access to history, favorites, settings. You can change your password. Also in the login screen, if you forgot your password, you can go ahead and view that, and get an email to re-enter and change your password. So in this main page now, we can go ahead and try solving a user's problem of finding a very specific example that his professor mentioned in class. So he knew that the professor mentioned the word 7-Eleven in his example. And we can go ahead and search from here by CSE 101 because he knows that he was in that class. And Now we get these list of results all from CSE 101, and this first example, or this first result is actually exactly what we're looking for. You can go ahead and play here and see, like before, this is the text blurb of what the professor said. And this is exactly what Ayush is looking for, this example that the professor mentioned in class about 7-Eleven, to help Ayush solve a similar problem on his homework. Let's go ahead and favorite that, and you can also unfavorite from this page, but we'll return that functionality later. Now for Kayu's example, we can go ahead and search ANOVA, because that's what he was looking for. This is such a specific result that only Math 183 results come up, and that's exactly the class he was in to look for that. So ANOVA is in all these results page. So let's go ahead and click on the first one.
Okay.
And again, we get the same page layout in all these results with the text blurb and the timestamp matching. Go ahead and favorite this as well. So now let's go ahead and look at our history page. Our history page will have this list of queries you search for with their corresponding filters. You can actually click on these, and you return to the page, the results page with the filters entered and the results that you saw before. And in history, you can also look at the specific podcast that you clicked on in the results page. So here is the example of the podcast that we clicked on for the ANOVA keyword for Kayu. So you can actually go to history again. You can clear this history, and now you'll see we have empty here. So now in favorites, you'll see the two podcasts that we favorited. You can actually link to these like before.
Okay, so you type that in.
So we can actually unfavorite from this page as well, and if you accidentally did that, you can refavorite it. So let's go ahead and unfavorite both of these actually, and we can clear this, and you see that we have no favorites.
In the backend, we use a Python script to scrape all the podcast data from the UCSD podcast website, including the videos, and we use Google Cloud Speech to Text API to transcribe the videos to text. We then use Elasticsearch to index these video transcriptions into the database, and we expose them to the front end via a Python REST API.
Thank you, and as always, happy podcasting.